Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of
When we dry them up, too cold. No go too deep, you know. Yeah, you have to watch Joe, you know. Our troops, see there? Apple cider vinegar and our troops. Come up right, make them get saturated in the gravy and all of that. On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, I'll be sharing with you how to prepare pineapple banana bread. Pineapple banana bread or banana pineapple bread, but pineapple sound more like it sound better before the banana. So pineapple banana bread. It's just basically like a banana bread. We'll just be adding some pineapples to it. So for this recipe, this is not a hard recipe. It's not anything. It will take about 45 minutes to an hour to bake. So the very first thing you want to do is have your oven over there all preheated to 160. That is the temperature, degrees Celsius. That would be 300, 320 thereabout Fahrenheit. Okay, I have in here 3 small eggs, 1 cup of white granulated sugar, 1 cup of light vegetable oil, canola or any oil that doesn't have a lot of flavor. I'm going to be using like about a cup of mashed ripe banana. Also the same amount, this may be more than a cup of crushed pineapple, but you are to drain the pineapple. So we have drained the pineapple and this is the liquid. You don't have to throw it out, you can freeze it. It can easily go with your sweet and sour sauce for your shrimp, for your chicken, whatever. Your flour, of course. In here are my little dry spices, and these are my liquid spices. Okay, so remember you preheat your oven at 160 degrees. I'm trying to use these 3 pans. You could just map out or max out the pan that you're gonna use. Okay, so because you know we have various measurements and sizes of pans. If you want to use a round pan, do you. Okay, so I'll leave for you the little measurements in the description at a later date, if not the same time we publish the video. So if you have your hand mixer, your KitchenAid, I don't think you probably need a KitchenAid, but if you have a little handheld mixer, if not, you can just use your whisk. So remember 3 eggs, 3 small eggs, or if they are large, you use 2 granulated sugar, 1 cup or a little under a cup. The banana is sweet, the pineapple is sweet, so if you try stay away from sugar, you use about a half a cup or a little less. So you're gonna beat these until it becomes frothy or foamy. So that is what I'm gonna be doing. And when you see me next, we'll proceed. Okay, so you see the froth at the top, it's frothy. Why beat it until it's frothy? When it gets frothy, it becomes light. With the oil, the eggs, and the sugar, you beat it until it starts becoming frothy. Light, you see it? And when you look at it, you see those froth and bubbles. You see them start forming at the top. That's good. Now I have inside here my flour, my baking powder, and my salt. And as I said to you, I will leave those in the description of the video for you. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to sift it right in. You want to sift it in. While sifting it in, it's trapping more air to make your pineapple banana bread come light. Alright? Now, you're going to get a spoon. And as soon as you do that, you know you're going to mix in. We're going to apply the cutting and the folding method. I'm going to do that right in and come right to you. Remember, preheating your oven in any form of baking is very important. You want, as your stuff hits the oven, the temperature is all, settle and level, so everything does keep working, cooking at the same temperature, rising evenly. Very important to preheat your oven ahead of time. There are some recipes you don't have to preheat it before because it takes a little time to mix up. Some of them take all 25-30 minutes to make to mix up. But for stuff like these, you can preheat it before you start mixing. Some of them, whilst mixing, and you just kind of like eyeball out the time that you have leave, you start preheating the oven. I'm gonna do this and return. All mixed in, cut and fold in. I'm gonna put in my cup of mashed ripe banana. And you, when I put the measurements or the measurements with the ingredients measurements, you follow the ingredients. Don't do as I do. I'm eyeballing. This is my cup of pineapple right there, and you're gonna fold in. Remember, from all of my other baking, not everything, but most of them, I show you the cut and folding method, which will never make you wrong. This is my little mixed spice, powdered spice. Right in, I'll tell you what it is in the description and also the measurements. I'm gonna put a little vanilla, not too much, because we don't want it on black cake, don't we? Okay, that's it. Got a little liquid artificial almond flavor, not to my suit, not my liking. Really don't like the real flavor of it, but you can't go feed, nothing wrong. And now I'm gonna put in about a little less than half a cup of milk. You can use almond milk, you can use healthy milk, you can use banana milk. I don't know what milk you want to use. You can use evaporated milk, would make it so much richer. Now this is the color that you want your banana pineapple bread or your pineapple banana bread to have. Okay, I'm gonna mix a little more and come back to show you the consistency. Family, I did add my little grated fresh nutmeg. I had it here, but I almost missed it off camera. In my house, this is not compulsory. This is very, very optional. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little yes, of white rum, just to give it that little kick. Just a kick it's gonna give it. So you want to finish it with this color. Okay, yeah, just a little kick. You might want to add some nuts, that is okay. I don't really want to add any nuts. You want to twist it and turn it, do your thing. Okay, greased and lined with the tins. I'm not sure if I'll get all three ovens there, preheat to the max, and I'll add that, a few more foldings to get the rum distributed right through. Remember, the rum is not compulsory. Let me take it from the back. Try not to get too much mess. And it looks, I was looking for 3. The chest too high. I didn't want to double up this recipe for you. I didn't want to double it up whilst I'm recording. I can double it up at other intervals. I thought I would really get 3. The pan, them look, at the first, I'm using these pans, family, they look like them did smaller. But they are really not. So we got 2, so we are all satisfied. So satisfied. And this thing smells so nice with the pineapple and that banana. Just imagine the taste of this thing, fam. When you eat pineapple, when you buy your fruits and you eat your pineapple and your banana, when you blend pineapple and banana, you can just give it a little, you know, some people slam down. If you do that, do you? No. You want to put this thing straight away. In the middle, get that rack in the middle of the oven. Get your rack in the middle. It is baking at 360. Leave space between that it can bake evenly and efficiently. Don't slam your oven door. Never ever slam your oven door when you just put in your stuff. No, I was saying something and I honestly don't remember. But in the next clip I might remember, and I'll say to you when those are ready, we'll return. Okay, now family, they have been out of the oven. They rested in the pan on the wire rack as you have seen in the previous clip. And now they're out of the pan directly onto the wire rack. Now these pineapple banana bread, they have the texture of kiss cakes. I don't know if like people outside of Jamaica know what I'm talking about. I know my regular Jamaicans, these like a soft kiss cakes, soft. I guess they call them kiss because they're so soft to the cheese. So these are still warm, not really pretty warm, but they are so soft. So I want to cut into one to show you. This is what it looks like on the outside. The pan came out, they all came out clean. So I'm going to slice for you one that you can see what it looks like. These are nice with them taking off the end. I just want to show you the texture of the finished product. So this is what it looks like. Look at the softness. This is how soft it is with all that ripe banana and the pineapple flavor trapped right in there. Okay, remember to like and remember to subscribe. Turn your post notifications on. Press the option that says all. Try to support our channels in whatever way you can, so we'll be able to give you all these quality Jamaican cooking videos and other videos. Remember to be you, do you. Most of all, love you. I leave for you in the description all the little ingredients and the proportionate measurements that we use.